In this video, I will show you how to create your own template for your Instagram pictures in PowerPoint. This will allow you to post pictures with, for example, a logo, a line of text or other objects. First, you want to go to Design in the ribbon and go to Slide Size. And here you want to click on Custom Slide Size. You want to change the slide sized for option to custom and make the width and the height the same size. This will create a 1:1 slide size, which is the default size for Instagram pictures. If you want to create an Instagram stories template, you want to change the slide sized for option to on-screen show, which is 16:9, and change the slide's orientation to portrait. For this video, I will be using the 1:1 size. First, you want to insert the picture you want to post on Instagram, going to Insert in the ribbon and clicking on Pictures. And here you can insert your own picture. If your picture isn't originally a squared picture, or 16:9 if you're making an Instagram stories template, you can resize it by holding Shift and dragging the left top to align the slide border above and dragging the right button to align the slide border on the bottom. You then click on the picture and go to Picture Format in the ribbon. And here you click on Crop and you want to crop both sides. If you want, you can move the picture around if you don't want the middle of the picture to be the main focus. And now let's add your logo. Go to Insert in the ribbon and go to Pictures. And here you can insert your own picture. If your picture doesn't have a transparent background, and if you want a transparent background, I suggest watching the video where I explain how to do it, which can be found in the iCard in the right up corner. Now let's add the title card. Go to Insert in the ribbon and go to Shapes. And here you want to add the rectangle rounded corner shape. Use the orange circle and drag it to the right, creating a bean-like shape. Click on the shape, go to Shape Format in the ribbon and change the colors to how you want it and how it fits your company's corporate identity. If you want to use the colors from your logo, you can use the eyedropper and click on the color in your logo you want to copy. If you want, you can add more elements like more text boxes, icons or even smaller images, and all stuff can be inserted by going to Insert in the ribbon and choosing the option that you want. To export the edited picture, go to File in the ribbon and go to Export. Here you click on PNG Portable Network Graphics to create a PNG picture from your slide. Don't forget to save the template so that you can reuse it. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.